RC, and today we are doing an unboxing on this amazing Toyota HPI. It looks pretty neat, so let's get right into it.
Hey everyone, in case we haven't met before, I'm Calvin.
I'm Dylan, and on this channel we do all things RC, such as tips, tricks, reviews.
We also do upgrades and repair videos and some awesome run videos. And today we're doing an unboxing, so that's just another thing that we do here. You know, RC is for everyone, and that's why Dylan and I have this channel, because we work together as a father-son, and we want to share our passion with you guys. So hopefully we can intrigue you.
So if you're new around here, consider subscribing.
Alright, so let's just get right to this box.
I'm going to put my drink over here so we're not knocking it around.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. I'll take one more sip of my coffee.
And then I can put it over here for you. And if you need it, you can just find it.
So guys, Dylan and I, when we first started in the RC world, we started on Traxxas, and we love Traxxas, but we decided we better start trying some other brand names, because there are others out there, and you know, how can we compare if we don't have anything to compare with? So
yeah.
Let's get into this box. We can go over the details of the box. What do you think? Well, hey, you know what? Maybe people have seen this, and maybe they just want to see what's inside. So let's flip that over. This is a unique box. I think we're just going to pull everything straight out. What do you think? Okay. So there's the truck. Da-da-da, because the truck is the most important thing. And here, Dylan, if you want, you can start with that, and I'll just get the other stuff out of here.
Okay, so we're going to take these pins out so that we can get the plastic wrap off of my dad's brand new spanking truck. It's looking pretty spiffy.
Alright, so I will talk quickly about the box while Dylan's unwrapping that, but let's see. So it's a 2.4 gigahertz radio system, which is pretty normal nowadays. This truck is 3S LiPo capable. Has adjustable aluminum threaded shock set, roof rack and mirrors for detail, waterproof electronics, steel frame, and a crawler edition ESC with an adjustable drag brake. So that's your basics of what's in here. On the other side here they have a little list of, looks like, upgraded parts that you can get. So aluminum front hub sets, aluminum straight axle adapter set. I assume these are all from HPI, and of course everybody knows that you can also get many upgrades from many different distributors on these trucks. So box out of the way.
When you put this, when you unbox it, don't try to rip off the body or you're going to break it. You got to pull this pin up back here. Pull that up. Get it out of the way.
Oh yeah, so this kind of helps hold the body down.
Yep.
Cool. Okay, what do you think about the details on that body, son?
Is it
pretty
sweet.
Pretty cool scale look?
Yeah. Looks pretty realistic to me.
And how's the Lexan? Is that Lexan? Yeah, it's a little soft Lexan.
It's still pretty durable.
So,
still.
yeah. The roof rack's nice. I like that. That's a nice little... Okay, and the roof rack is actually all held in the backside with your little cotter pins. So if you wanted, you could pull that off. Make it easier to replace, I suppose, if you break it.
This truck's pretty
nice clear windows.
light too.
Some good detail. The fender flares themselves are not an actual fender flare. They're just a painted replica on the Lexan itself. Some scale trucks like the Traxxas TRX4, for example, that we have, is an actual molded plastic flare that is screwed onto the Lexan. This is just a painted. So yeah, and then the mirrors, they can come off with a little hex screw on the back side.
Pretty light.
They're kind of flexible, I guess, so that's cool. This charcoal body's sweet. It also comes in like a tan color, so
really sticky tires. It's really light.
The tire's sticky?
Yep, very.
That's a working spare.
So if you lose a tire or pop one.
Your little rock guards on the side here. Battery tray.
Nice little hooks to hook your winch up to and pull someone out.
Yeah. Alright, so anything else on that truck that you think is interesting or neat, Bill? That you want to talk
It has
about?
a lot of pins.
Oh, here's something that's a little bit interesting to me. The links on here are actually plastic. So that's something I might think about upgrading to metal. But
Yeah.
the differential covers are metal. And the link mounts are metal. Here, show them in this camera over here, buddy. These are metal, and the diff covers are metal.
Yep.
But the links themselves are plastic. So
Yeah.
that might be something I consider upgrading, like I said.
It's a little bit of
But
a
the battery tray looks like it's not very adjustable, but we'll have a look at that.
It's pretty up and
Tires
down.
are fairly soft. I mean, it's a ready to run again, so.
Like that.
But anyway, so this is just an unboxing, so let's just get to her. We can let you guys know about all the real life scenarios once we get the truck out and drive it. And then we'll do afterthoughts. Just like we try to do on every truck that we unbox. I mean, everybody's seen unboxings. People like to see an unboxing, but at the same time, the only way you're going to know what the truck's really about is doing an afterthought review once you've tried the truck out. So stay tuned for those videos in the future, and we will keep you guys up to date.
When you're trying to put the body back on, this little thing, you want to have the spare tire off, and then you want to put the body on. And I would imagine it'd probably be smarter to put the pins in on the body.
Well, that's a nice pistol grip. It's kind of got a little for your thumb in here. I don't know if everybody can see that or not. Nice foam handle on the wheel. It's got a flip-up antenna. I'm not so sure I'm a big fan of that, but again, I guess we'll see in the actual use of the truck. It's got your trim buttons here. This button on the back, I'm not sure what that is. And this truck, or this remote, takes 4 AA's, which HPI includes, which is kind of nice. So that's that. And you have a wall charger,
Okay.
looks like.
And then once you get the pins in, you want to get this, and you want to make sure this goes in here. Because if you just put it like this and don't get that in there, it's not going to help hold the body down. So you want to make sure you get that little holder thingy in there. And then you're going to want to put the little pin back here.
Well, a little bag
There,
of goodies
like
here,
that.
Bill.
Yeah.
It's nothing special. It looks like some extra body post and clips and a couple extra grub screws, so that's cool. This is kind of interesting. The wall plug that they give you with this actually has adapters. Let me show them in this camera. For different regions of the world, I guess. So you got your standard North American, and I don't know where these ones are from, but I do know that you know, Europe or Asia, or you know, different countries and whatever have different plugs in their house.
Yeah.
Outlet plugs. So I guess they give you the plug for a bunch of different regions. So that's a little bit interesting. And the HPI still sends you a battery, nickel metal hydrate, 7.2 volt, 2000 milliamp. So a lot of new trucks don't send batteries anymore, and most people use lipos anyway, as we do, but it's interesting that they send that. So realistically, this truck is actually ready to run. because they send you the batteries for their controller, they send you the nickel metal hydrate and a charger, so you could literally get started right away. Most trucks you gotta buy batteries and chargers, and that's fine too, but this is ready to run right out of the box. So.
And also another thing I really like about this truck is right here, when you pull these out,
Yeah.
they don't get caught on these.
On the rock darts. Yeah, the only thing about that though, Dylan, is then they rattle a bit.
Yeah.
So that's, but I mean everything's different. So, and different is okay. So I think that's about it for the unboxing. We don't want to take up too much of your guys' time with an unboxing video. Like I said, we will do an actual real life operation, and then we'll give you our thoughts again. So we appreciate you guys hanging out.
And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and it's in the bottom right corner. And also don't forget to hit the notification button so that every time we upload a new video, you guys get a little notification. And also smash that like button.
And also, guys, leave us some comments. As always, we'd love to chat and love your feedback. And, you know, until next time.
Get out and play.
Here.
Thank you. So, my dad forgot that under the truck there's like this box, and inside of that box, under the truck, there is this manual stuff, and it's under the truck in the box, and my dad forgot to do that. So there's a whole bunch of HPI racing stickers, like tons of them. So there's this book, and there's actually this kit card. So that's that thingy, and then if I can get these out, there's a whole bunch of stickers that you can probably stick on the truck everywhere, wherever my dad wants to put them, or on his new body if he paints it one, or like red or something like that. And then right here is a HPI racing little booklet. It's just a whole bunch of reading, all that. And then this is another booklet, and it tells you, I think if I'm correct, all the part numbers. Yeah, it tells you all about the truck, what it comes with, the batteries, all of that, how the tire and all that battery stuff works. So there's all that stuff, and then the remote, how it stops on a hill, all that goody. So that's pretty much the manual. So that's that, and it's the manual for this truck, all the stickers and all that. So bye.